death toll reaches 90 as flood situation remains grim. 7 more people dead. Death toll mounted to 90 so far. Approximately 14 lakhs people have been affected. Kaziranga National Park is grappling with severe flood. Floods claim lives of 174 animals and 10 one-horn rhinos. The death toll due to flood-related incidents in Assam has climbed to 90. According to the latest update from Assam Disaster Management Authority, 7 additional fatalities were reported on Friday alone. In Gwalpara district, 5 lives were lost in a tragic boat capsize incident, while 1 person each succumbed to flood waters in Nagaon and Jorhat districts. Currently, approximately 1.4 million people across several districts are still grappling with the aftermath of heavy rains. Major rivers, including the Brahmaputra, continue to flow above the danger mark in various parts of the state, despite reports suggesting some improvement in the flood situation. Official data indicates that nearly 1.4 million individuals remain affected in 83 revenue circles and 2,545 villages spread across several districts such as Kachar, Barpeta, Kamrup, Nagaon and Dhubri, among others. Authorities are continuing relief and rescue operations amid challenging conditions caused by this year's flood, storms and lightning strikes. The situation in Assam remains a matter of concern as efforts to mitigate the impact of ongoing flood continues.
আমি থাকপাৰ বিনিময়ত মিচিং গাঁও লৈ যায় কেইঘৰমান মানুহৰ লগত চাঙত উঠি থাকোঁ। এতিয়াও আমাৰ পানী বেছি হৈয়ে আছে, হাহাকাৰ। তাতে চাই চৰকাৰে যদি কিবা এটা চাই দয়া কৰি চাব পাৰে, গতিকে আমাৰ অনুৰোধ ইমানে। আমি বৰ্তমান পানীত উপঙি আছোঁ।
এইবাৰ বেছি দেখা পাইছোঁ বানপানী দেখা পাইছোঁ। মোক ডাঙৰ ল'ৰাটি টানি নি মিচিং ঘৰত উঠাই থৈ দিলে, চাংঘৰত উঠাই থৈ দিলে। যেনে তেনে ৰাতি চাইডাত থাকিলোঁ আৰু পাই। তাৰপাছত এতিয়া আকৌ অলপমান পানী যোৱা দেখা পাই আহিছোঁ। আহি মানে এতিয়া ভাত পানী বনাবলৈ জেগা নাই, চব খহি গুচি গ'ল। এতিয়া আমি কেনেকৈ কি কৰোঁ, কেনেকৈ কি নকৰোঁ, ৰাইজে কিবা এটা সাহায্য কৰিলে আমি বহুত সুখী হ'লোঁ হয়।
Assam's national heritage site Kaziranga National Park is grappling with severe flood. The floods have already claimed lives of as many as 174 animals, including one-horned rhinos. According to Park Authority, the overall flood situation in the park is improving. However, 46 forest camps are still underwater. News Desk report Any News.